Hello, my name is Elvira Infante, and today I'll be presenting my research project. My project focuses on something that affects us all, the immune system and how different ethnic groups respond differently to infections and treatments. My research question. The central question I explored is, what factors contribute to variations in immune responses among African, Asian, and Latin American ethnic populations? My hypothesis. I believe these differences are caused by a combination of genetic factors, environmental exposures like diet or pathogens, and socioeconomic conditions like access to healthcare. The justification. Why is important? Because immune responses affect how effective vaccines and treatments are. Study shows that genetic matters, but environmental and lifestyle factors explain up to 75% of the difference in immune reactions. This shows we need inclusive medical research that consider all ethnic groups. The objectives. The goal of my research is to analyze the key factors that affect immune responses in different ethnic populations. Specifically, I aim to identify genetic variations, compare environmental impacts like diet and microbiome, and analyze how social conditions like healthcare access affect immunity. My variables. I work with independent variables that are the environmental and socioeconomic status, the dependent variables that are immune efficiency, infection susceptibility, and treatment effectiveness, and the control variable, the same disease or vaccine used. The theoretical framework. Scientific studies show both genes and lifestyle play a role. For example, the rubella vaccine had different outcomes depending on ethnicity. This kind of research can help us create more personalized medicine. The methodological framework. My research is descriptive and correlational, cross-sectional, meaning data is collected at a single time, and the population includes people from African, Asian, and Latin American descent, chosen based on genetics and exposure history. The experimental design. In the study, I would collect blood samples, analyze DNA and antibody production, use tools like ELISA kits and microbiome analysis, then compare these results with data about environment and healthcare access. The ethical implications. All participants will give informed consent, have their data protected, and the goal is to ensure diversity and inclusion in healthcare research. Finally, my sources. I use over 10 credible sources, including the NIH, CDC, Cleveland Clinic, Science Direct, and Nature Immunology to support my research. Thank you so much for your attention, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them.